masses exert non-contact forces on each other. That means that whenever there's two objects with two masses, they exert force onto each other without physical contact, without them colliding or anything. Because one example of non-contact force is the gravitation. So if you want to pull two objects together, you don't need when two objects with masses exert forces on each other, you don't need to have a contact. Masses exert non-contact forces between two objects with the use of gravity, right? So whenever anything has mass, it will exert a non-contact force. It will exert a force on anything else that has mass. Yeah. Now, what is Newton's law of universal gravitation? Good question. Newton's law of universal gravitation is each body in this universe attracts every other body with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their mass. So, directly proportional to the product of the masses. And if inversely proportional meaning proportional is square the distance between their center. See, this is what that means. Okay? Force is directly proportional to two masses, mass 1 and mass 2, and is inversely proportional to divided by radius squared, inversely proportional to the distance between their center. Now, what is G? G is the universal gravitation constant. It means it's constant, okay? It's fixed. And it is equal to 6.67 times 10 to the power -11 n times m squared divided by kilograms squared. I'm gonna give you an application to further explain, further analyze and understand what I mean. Determine if the gravitational pull between the Earth and the man with a mass of 70 grams if 1.1. He is on the surface of the Earth at sea level, meaning this is Earth, this is the man, he is on the surface of the Earth, this is the radius, and then 1.2 is he is in an airplane 10,000 meters above the surface of the Earth. 1.2 is he's on an airplane. See, this is an airplane. This is the man. And 1.1, the man is on the surface, right? So yeah, he's on the surface of the Earth. And this is an airplane, so meaning he's not on the surface of the Earth. He's 10,000 meters above the Earth, right? Don't mind this scratch. Given m Earth, meaning to this, it's 5.9 times 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. And our Earth, the radius Earth is 6.38 times 10 to the power of 6 meters. Now let's solve for 1.1. Just have to substitute everything, so just have to times everything and then square the radius and then divide it, and then the answer is, what is the answer? What? So 685.94 Newton. Is above the radius here. Is 10,000 meters above, meaning you have to add it to the radius. You have to add 1,000 meters. So let's substitute 6.67 times 10 to the power of 11, which is the G. That is 5.98 times 10 to the power of 24 times 70 kilograms divided by the radius plus 10,000 squared. Now solve. 517.44 Newton. See, it's so easy. It's so easy, right? So that is Newton's law of universal gravitation. I hope, and then we can all have a nice evening. Peace out.